Welcome traders, turbooptiontrading.com. We're going to scroll down on the website. This is the home page, and you're going to go to free stock plays. I'm updating all of them now. You have everything to gain on making money. That is what you have. Now you know how to get there. Now we're going to feature, we covered Amazon buying the 185 calls. This is the breakout. This is the free stock play breakout. That is the consolidation. We made 52-week highs. Amazon's been pumping because they're going into earnings. I am telling everyone to be very cautious on it. Ring the cash register, take profits. You have to take profits, and you have to join free stock plays. That you have to do, because this is why you get the benefits. We are expert in charts. We know how to tell you when they're going up or when they're going down. Join the free service today. Amazon is a follow-up trade in the free stock plays program. Let's be clear. Join the live trading room today. Click on the link and join.